So, good morning, everyone. This is Christofina, and today's discussions about computer science is a spreadsheet, grade 9. And then first we have to define what a spreadsheet is. Spreadsheet, when you're talking about spreadsheet, we are referring to the computer programs that are used to organize and analyze data in a tabular format, and it's typically consists of rows and columns that intersect to form a cell. So once the row and column intersect, they form up a cell. This is my spreadsheet, and then the rows are the one that run across the page, and then the column that's the one that run down the page, and then where they meet they form up a cell, and then this is a cell we are referring to. This is a cell, that is a cell. The spreadsheet is commonly used for tasks such as budgeting, data analysis, financial forecasting, and other types of calculation. So we are going to continue with the discussions about the procedures of how to align data in cell, rotating text, warp text, shrink to fit, merge cells, and apply a background color to a cell in a spreadsheet. So we are going to start with the aligning of data in a cell. Aligns, first you have to discuss what or you have to understand what align means. Or aligning is just a way of adjusting the positioning of text or numbers within a cell or in a related and in relation to a cell boundaries or other content. So when you want to align your data in a cell, you have to select the cell. First, you have to select the cell that contains the data that you want to align. And then secondary, you have to go to Home tab on the top menu bar. And then after that, in the alignment group now, you can choose the align the data left, center, or right by clicking the corresponding icon. So let's see how am I going to align my data in a spreadsheet. First, it says that you have to select, and then after selecting you have to go to the alignment you have to go Home tab and go on top of the menu bar in the alignment group. Now here you have to choose the align to data to it's either to left by clicking the right of the corresponding icon. Here it's written text aligning, and then you have to choose like horizontal. You have to choose, let me just choose center, and then let me just choose left intended, and then vertical I choose I can say center intended, and then after that I have to press OK, and then see how my data is going to look. Yes, we align our data left and then down center. So we have to move on with the next procedures, which is rotate text. Rotating text in a spreadsheet. So rotating text or rotations it just have to do with changing the orientation of the text or numbers within a cell so that it can be displayed vertically or at the different angle. So it says that you have to select the cell or that contain the text that you want to rotate, and then thereafter you have to go to the Home tab on the top menu bar, and then you have to In the alignment group now, you have to click the orientation drop down menu and then choose the angle or the angle at which you want to rotate the text. So let's rotate the text in our spreadsheet with me here. I already selected, so I have to go to the alignment group and then I have to go to the orientation. Where is that? Alignment group, and then I go to orientation drop what, and then here comes the orientation. I have to choose the angle now that I want to choose, like to rotate my text to. So here there's degrees. Let's try to rotate our text to the let's rotate our text to, let me just say, to -15. I choose -15 here, and then I have to go like to press OK. I have to press OK, and then after pressing OK, this is how, after collecting the pressing OK, this is the angle of data in the cell in a spreadsheet. Yes, let's continue with warp text. Let's continue with warp text. And then when you want to select, like when you want to warp text in a spreadsheet, first we have to know what's warp, like what does warp, the word warp means. So warp is just an automatically adjusting the height of a row or width of a column in order to display all the text or data within a cell. There are sometimes there are data that land to the next cell, and then you just need to warp them and can fit in a single cell. So when you are doing warping, you have to select the cell or the cell or the cells that containing the text you want to warp, and then you have to go to Home tab on the top menu bar, and then in the alignment group again, you have to click warp text icon. Yes, let's go back to our spreadsheet. It says you have to do what first? You have to select first. First of all, you have to select. I'm going to select this one because it's the one that lands to the next column or the next cell. Office suppliers order. Let me just select it. As I select it like that, I have to go now to alignment group and then click warp text. Here I am, and then here I have to choose warp text in a text under the text control, and then I give it a tick, and then after that I have to press OK. Now our data is our text has fit in one cell now, because this was like running to the next cell. Now the office supplier order fit in one cell. So that is it. Let's continue with shrink to fit procedure. How to shrink your cell or data in the cell in a spreadsheet. Shrink to fit. How to shrink the data in a cell. So we have to know what, like when you are talking about shrinking or shrink, we are referring to what? Shrinking or shrink is just the way of reducing the size of the context in order, like within the cell, in order to fit to more information on what in a spreadsheet. The way of reducing the size of the context within a cell in order to fit more information in the spreadsheet. So the steps now that are involved in shrinking to fit is, first you have to select the cell, the cell or the source that containing the text that you want to shrink to fit. And then thereafter you have to go to the home tab on the top menu bar. And then after that you have to go back again in the alignment group, and then click on the shrink to fit icon. Let's do it. Let's try. First you have to do what? First you have to select, I have selected already the office supply order, and then I have to go to orientation group, and then I have to press now to click on shrink to fit. Shrink to fit, and then after that I have to press OK. And then OK. Yes, we shrink now. We have shrunk our text so I can fit in a one cell. Okay, let's move on with the next procedure of merge cell. The steps that are involved or the steps that are involved in merging or merge cells. So first you have to know what does the word merge mean. Also, merge cells is just a combination of multiple adjustment cells into a single large cell. Or the merge text is just of combining multiple pieces of text into a single cell. So the steps that are involved now in merge cells, you have to select the cells that you want to merge, and then go to the home tab on the top menu bar. In the alignment group again, click on the merge and center drop down menu, and then choose whether you want to merge cell, or you want to merge and sorter, or you want to merge across. Let's merge out this, and here it says that you have to select. And then after selecting, you go to the what? After selecting, you go to the after selecting, you have to go to the merge. Click on merge and center. Here is merge and center. Merge and center. And then you choose now, you have to merge and center, or merge across, or merge the cell. Let's choose merge the cell. It says, it's asking now, merging cells only keeps the upper left center value and discard the other values. Let's press OK and see the changes. You see, we just merged to fit in one big column, which is can you see this? The office supply order now is just in one big cell. Okay, that is it about merging to fit, merging cells. So we have to move on to move on with apply a background color to a cell. You have to select the cell or cells to which you want to apply the background. Yeah, to which you want to apply the background. And then after that, you have now to go to the home tab on the top menu bar, and then in the font group, click on the fill color drop down menu. And then after that, you have to choose a color from the color palette to apply as the background color to the selected cell. Yes. And then this procedure with applying background color, it just have to do with how does your spreadsheet background want to be looking like. So let's just try to change this. As mine, I want it I selected color yellow. Let's change now color yellow to the other different color. So first it says that first you have to select. I have selected, and then you have to go to home button on the top menu bar. Okay, And then after that, you have to go in a font group. You say the font group. And then when you go in a font group, you have to go in on the fill color drop menu. Here it's fill, like it says fill, the word fill. And then the colors now pop up. The background color, here there's like no color. So you have to choose now which color of your choice that you want your spreadsheet to be looking like. So here I'm going to choose my favorite color, which is color, which one? Which is color blue. Let's choose color orange. I got a lot of favorite colors. So let's choose color orange. We choose, and then after that we have to select, like to press OK. Can you see the change this it brings? It's changed from color yellow to color orange. So that is it about today's procedures or in spreadsheet. So we have discussed how to align data. We have discussed how to match source. We have discussed how to change the background colors of our spreadsheet, and we also discussed about the definite, like what is a spreadsheet, and we also like discuss the use of spreadsheet. As the end of our today presentations, and here I have a homework for you, which is having 2 questions. Number 1, you are going to explain what a spreadsheet is, and then the second one is for you to give 4 use of spreadsheet. What are the use of a spreadsheet? I thank you.